I created a desktop application using Python. I using Tkinter for creating the GUI, and there I have two files, one is my bank app and connected DB. This is for using for connection with my database, and there the query are running here according to the function which is triggered. And this file is basically for set up my GUI, its height, width and everything. This is in constructor. You can see here I setting my height, width and titles and other things, and there are respected functions which are using for their particular work. By the name you can already understand that what is the working of every function. This is for loading the registration GUI, and similarly there for other. This is for clear GUI, loading for a header menu. Okay, so now run this application. So here you can see connected to database. That means the database connection is successfully. So in my database there is a bank database for bank users. So from where this application will be fetch data. So first I am open this bank user database so we can better understand this application. So I opening it from my command file. I can also have my SQL workbench, but I am used to opening it from command line. So here I have to run first a command, that's my SQL, then username and then passwords, and after that your MySQL database will be open. So my SQL database is open now. So here we can see that it's written welcome to my SQL monitor. So now I want to see my all database. So here all my databases are present. I want that bank user. I want to use that because my tables are under this database. And now I want to check my tables. So here only one table present, that is all users, that store all the user information about user information. So let's see that what information it already stored. So here already have two users names and their account number, password and their storing balance. So now back on the application. So this is the application interface. Here is for sign up. To sign up you have to input your name, your digital account number, and you have to set your password and then click sign up. So sign up will be done. And this is section for login. For login you have to put your digital account number and password. So first I sign up with a new name. Suppose I giving a account number like and set a random password. and I click sign up. So here a pop-up coming that registration is successful. Okay. So now come into my database to see that user is created or not. I run the same query again. So here I can see that this user is created. So its ID number is 9 because before that there are some random users I created for experiment, and for video purpose I delete all that. So that's why this is from 1, 2 and then 9. They are between in the numbers between this all users I deleted. Okay, let's back on the application and try to log in from here. So here I have to input that's my digital account number and here password. So here I already log in. So first check my balance. There is a option button and from here you can check balance, deposit, withdrawal and log out. So first check balance. So here total balance is 0, which is absolutely right because you can check it from your database. That's your total balance is 0. So now go to the options and deposit some cash. So here I want to deposit uh, 2000 rupees. So I so now I confirm it. So pop-up is coming that amount deposit successfully. Okay, let's cancel it. Now check into database that amount stored or not. Same query again. So here I can see that my 2000 rupees is stored in Rohan Chatterjee's account. Okay, then come on the back on GUI and explore the other option, that is withdrawal option. So suppose I want to withdraw 1000 rupees and I confirm it. So here showing that amount withdrawal successful. Okay, then again cancel and now again check that in database what's happened. So here you can see that my storing balance is subtract from previous balance and now this is now 1000. So now back on the GUI. So deposit is done, withdrawal is done. Now check the logout options. So whenever I click in logout option, I am from logout my account. Now I have to re-log in my account to withdraw or deposit cash. So this is my Python application. Thank you for watching.